Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report that signals a pretty big shift for a company, so make sure you are ready for some changes, because we are about to unlock the story behind Hoyne Bancorp Incorporated's latest filing. Before we dive in, if you like getting the real scoop on what happens behind the corporate curtain, make sure you are subscribed. Also, we have set up a Discord community to discuss these reports. Further, you can find the link in the description below. Alright, so what is cooking with Hoyne Bancorp Incorporated? This report is all about getting the green light for a pretty significant organizational change. They are moving from a mutual holding company structure to a stock holding company. Think of it like a company deciding to go public in a way that lets more people own pieces of it. This also means a savings and loan holding company is set to take over Hoyne Savings Bank. This conversion process is moving along and they've just announced that all the final approvals from regulators are in hand. This is a huge step. It means the company is cleared to officially make this switch. The plan is for everything to wrap up with a subscription offering and the conversion expected to finalize on the 3rd of December 2025. And the exciting part for investors is that the company's common stock is set to start trading on the NASDAQ capital market. You'll be able to find it under the ticker symbol Hoyne beginning the 4th of December 2025. This is a clear sign that they are preparing for a new chapter as a publicly traded entity. The company issued a press release on the 28th of November 2025 to announce this big news about receiving regulatory approvals and the expected closing date for this conversion. We have that press release included as an exhibit, which essentially means it is part of the official record now, and we can look at it for more details. This press release is the core of this particular filing, laying out the final stages of a crucial transformation for Hoyne Bancorp Incorporated. It confirms that after what was likely a long process, the company has successfully navigated the regulatory landscape to enact its plan of conversion. Now, while this specific report focuses on the organizational change and not on detailed financial performance from a typical quarterly or annual filing, we can still glean some insights. This move to a stock holding company structure is usually about raising capital and increasing transparency. It means they are likely preparing for growth and are opening themselves up to a wider pool of investors. One of the key things for any company undergoing such a transition is investor confidence. The fact that they have secured all regulatory approvals is a very positive signal. It suggests that the company has met all the requirements and that their restructuring plan is sound from a regulatory perspective. Looking at this from an investor's viewpoint, this is a moment to watch. The stock symbol Hoyne will be your gateway to owning a piece of this evolving company. The transition from a community-focused mutual structure to a stock-based one can bring both opportunities and challenges. For Hoyne Savings Bank, this means a potential for increased resources to expand its services and reach more customers. The stockholding company model often allows for easier access to capital markets, which can fuel growth initiatives. However, it also introduces the expectations of public market investors, which can put pressure on short-term performance. The fact that the report is signed off by Walter F. Healy, the President and Chief Executive Officer, speaks to the leadership's commitment to this strategic move. This is a top-down initiative designed to reshape the company's future. So what does this all mean for Hoyne Bancorp? This filing essentially marks the finish line of a major regulatory hurdle. The company is poised to enter a new phase of its existence with a different ownership structure and presumably a renewed focus on growth and shareholder value. The upcoming trading of its stock will be the real test of how the market perceives this transformation. From my perspective, this organizational shift is a bold move. It signals ambition and a willingness to adapt to market dynamics. The strength here is the successful navigation of the regulatory process, which indicates a well-planned and executed strategy. The main risk is the inherent volatility of the public markets and the pressure to deliver consistent financial results that public investors expect. Essentially, they are leaving a more protected mutual environment for the broader and more demanding public arena. In conclusion, Hoyne Bancorp Incorporated is embarking on an exciting new journey. The receipt of all regulatory approvals sets the stage for a significant restructuring that could unlock substantial growth potential. Keep an eye on the Hoyne ticker symbol as this company officially enters its next chapter. Alright, that is our breakdown of Hoyne Bancorp Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on this organizational change and what it means for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description below for more discussions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.